in accordance with Jewish law, Jesus was laid in the tomb before the sun set on the Sabbath. This Passover Sabbath, however, was unlike any God's chosen people had ever celebrated. In keeping with their traditions, the ceremonial lamb was served at their candlelit, sanctified tables, while Jesus, the true Lamb of God, was lying cold and lifeless in a borrowed grave.
They feasted. Those who shouted, "Crucify him," just hours before, they feasted. Those who stood at his feet and watched him die, they feasted. Those whom he had healed, set free, and forgiven, those who called him Lord, began to forget him.
Except those who knew him best, his disciples, these men who left their lives to find their lives, could not forget him.
Let not your heart be troubled, though I must leave you now. Where I am going, you cannot come till there's a place for you. In his house there are many rooms that I must return to prepare. But if I go, I will come for you, that I may take you there. For that appointed moment, when you'll come home with me, and the Father gives you your new name, I will be longing to, while I make a place for